Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make a frame by paper. First, let's gather our essential supplies. You'll need a sheet of paper, ideally at least 8, 5 by 11 inches, along with a pair of scissors and a ruler. Don't forget a glue stick or some tape to help secure everything neatly. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's start forming the base of your frame. Take your paper and fold it in half lengthwise, then unfold it to create a clear center crease. Next, fold each of the long edges inward, aligning them perfectly with that center line. This step is crucial for building a strong and symmetrical foundation for your beautiful paper frame. With your base ready, it's time to create the decorative border. Fold the short edges of your paper inward by approximately 1 inch on both sides. Then, carefully fold the corners to achieve neat, mitered edges, giving your frame a polished look. These folds will beautifully define the opening where your picture will eventually sit. Finally, let's bring it all together. Apply a small amount of glue or use tape to secure all the folded edges, ensuring your frame holds its shape. Once the adhesive is set, gently slide your chosen photo or artwork into the newly created frame opening. Congratulations! Your personalized paper frame is now complete and ready to proudly display.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.